and insulating protective equipment suitable for live working. Anhu Electric, a new choice for live working. Driving soft fit, strides easily. Unique small cuff and short cuff design provide higher wearing comfort. Out of the ordinary shaped design, tighter shielding, more comprehensive protection, high temperature resistant, not easily deformed by heat, well resistant and not prone to mechanical damage, excellent softness. The insulation shielding process is more fitting and easier to operate, excellent hydrophobicity and moisture resistance, making operation safer in high humidity environments, flame retardant to avoid arc flame damage. Material is newly upgraded with multiple layers of EVA fabric laminated. Starting from the material molecules, breaking through the performance limits. Seek breakthroughs with new materials and promote innovation with new technologies. Industry-leading material testing and analysis room. With higher standards. Dust-free workshop, laying the foundation for quality. Automatic material uploading. Innovative integrated edge bending technology. Fine quality control, excellent quality. Exclusive high voltage shielding test room to strictly control the electrical insulation performance of products. Safety, comfort, efficiency, craftsmanship. Anhu Electric. Protect power safety.